Oh, okay.
You see that?
Uh-huh.
Look at this.
What?
Look at all that. See this?
Okay. Pour it in. Oh my God, look at those things. Yeah, slow. Yes. Look at them bounce around. That's crazy, okay?
These are water beads. They absorb water and they become invisible. Look, you can't even see it, but they're still in there.
There's still more in here.
Yeah. Look at this one. Look at this right here. Look at this.
Hold on, hold on.
Look at how many there are here. Look
Oh!
at all of those.
Okay, pour them in, pour them in, pour them in. Let's do it with the Coke. So the reason, oh my God, they're bouncing all over the table. Look at this.
You'll see, you'll see. Because if we pour water in and it looks through these beads, remember these are invisible water beads.
Yeah, I want to know what it's going to do to the Coke.
Does it change the Coke?
It changes everything. There's these. Look.
Okay.
And last one last big scoop.
All right.
Look at all of these. Look at that.
Pour them in, pour them in, pour them in,
So
pour them in.
many.
And they're just hidden in the water. Here, Anna, grab a handful of those. Let me see. Wait, hon. Put them back in. Let me see the water empty first. Let me see the water.
Look.
So you can't see anything and then reach in,
Yeah,
grab a
reach in
handful?
and grab them. Look at
Oh
that.
my God. Okay,
Put
great.
in
Pour them in,
here,
pour them in,
here.
pour them in, pour them in.
Quick. Yep. Even more. Even more. We got
Great. Okay, let's do this.
Okay, you ready?
Let's do it.
Get
So
those, you got 2 big jars.
the Coke is
of water.
surrounded.
Yeah. Oh, a jar of water.
Look at these things rolling around the table. Okay,
Give us just a few more seconds here.
let's do it.
I'm going to do it. We're going to get all that water in. I just want to completely cover that Coke.
I want to know what's going to happen.
So the Coke, I can't see the Coke at all. I can't see the Coke at all.
Perfect.
Okay,
All right.
all
Let's
right.
get everything out of the way when this happens.
Okay.
Oh.
Ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, I wonder if you should have your hand on the Coke ready to open it as they pour it in, Justin, because opening it's going to be the crazy part.
Yeah.
Right,
yeah.
so get your hand ready on it.
Just look. Can you see the Coke at all in there?
Just the bottom,
Should I
which is
move it
perfect.
to the front?
No.
Like this.
Right there, yep.
Perfect.
But get ready to open it, okay? You're going to open the Coke on the count of 3. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. So, girls, you're going to pour it in, and once you pour it in, Justin, you're going to open the Coke and then squeeze the Coke can and shoot the Coke up.
Yep. Exactly.
Is this going to go everywhere?
No, it's going to be great.
Okay.
It's
I
going to
want
be
to know
amazing.
what's going to happen to the Coke.
Yeah, what?
Watch through the sides.
Yeah,
and
so
you'll
watch
see.
the bowl.
Okay.
All right, ready? Let's
Okay.
pour on the count of 3. Ready?
Okay.
Girls, get the cups ready.
Yeah.
And 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and pour it in. Yep. Okay. So now let it settle. Now, Justin, get ready to open it. 1.
Oh my God.
Now you can see the Coke.
Two.
Can you see the Coke perfectly?
Wait, yeah. Let me see.
Isn't
okay.
that crazy?
Yes. Now
remember,
open
it's
it. Squeeze. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Squeeze.